Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what day it is? It's Louis Vuitton day. Yay! So today I am going to do a cute little Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you know, I purchased my first Louis Vuitton bag of the year, my first Louis Vuitton bag in a long time. I unboxed that a few videos back and I wanted to find some things that will match it. I got the notebook, the Damier Azur notebook, which is so cute. And I have my Mila clutch, but I wanted this because what do I love? I love makeup. I love cosmetics. Ooh. They gave me a great new perfume sample too. This is a great new fragrance sample. So I like when they give you little cute little goodies. So this is from the boutique in Manhattan on 5th Avenue and 57th Street. I find that boutique fabulous. I love them. They always give great service, even though they're totally crowded and they're always so busy. They always give me a good time. They're nice there. One tip: you can find a lot of the things that are sold out online and sold out in Manhattan store. The reason why you can find them is because the New York City Manhattan store, the 57th Street store, is always so busy that they don't do phone orders unless they answer their email. So here's a little tip. You can always find, I couldn't find this anywhere, and then I found this at this store, and they had a lot of stuff that I was looking for. So if you're looking, it's hard to get in touch with them. They don't really do phone orders much. They have to be emailed. I have a text. I can text someone for a phone order. So maybe you could try to email them and build a relationship with them, or try to do a phone order, but they're usually so busy they will never fulfill a phone order, and they have a lot of stuff that we're looking for. So here's my newest cutie. Let's open it up. And you guys know I love makeup. So, Tiny, she's a little baby. She's sleeping. It is the Damier Azur cosmetic case PM, and I love it. I love cosmetic cases. Damier Azur is one of my favorite prints. I don't know, it's a favorite. I love it, and it's beautiful. It has the really pretty gold zipper. I think Louis Vuitton zippers are so beautiful. They're just so nice. They're really good quality zippers. I know that's a weird thing to say. You're like, what do you mean a Louis Vuitton zipper is good quality? Well, there's some zippers from some other brands and they're not the best quality. So this is a nice quality zipper. I like it. And let's see where my little baby is made. My little baby is made in France. So there you go. It's really pretty. I love Damier Azur. I've been wanting this for my graceful bag. Now she has a proper friend. I like to be matchy with my, I don't need to be matchy with Chanel, but there's some reason I like to be matching with Louis Vuitton. So this is cute. This is perfect because it has the interior pocket. I've had so many versions of these small PM cosmetic cases. I do want the GM version for travel. Actually, this tote is so big. I asked you guys on the live. I said, should I get the bag insert, the organizer? And you said no. You said just fill it with small leather goods. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fill it with small leather goods. So I love this little bag. I've had this in Vernis, Mono. I've had it in Damier Abine. It's a great bag. Sometimes it can show wear on the corners. It has the vachetta, the vache leather tabs. I've never had wear in them. I've never had an issue with any of my vache on any of my pieces. I mean, I don't wear them that much, so they've never really got that really deep, dark honey patina. I like a light patina. I think it's really pretty, but this has a nice washable, let's see, make sure the tags are in there because I'm an anal tag girl. It has the man-made lining, which is really nice. It's really durable. I love these cosmetic cases, guys. I have the other cosmetic case that I unboxed with the summer trunks, and it's cute. I like it, but I don't know. There's something about Damier Azur that is so spring and summer and so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to put some new lip glosses in here. I want to put a nice compact, and I want to just get ready and put it in my bag. I love it. It's so cute. So now I have my cosmetic case. Let's find the Mila pochette. Where are you, Mila? Mila. So what is on everybody's wish list? Does anybody have any Louis Vuitton on their wish list? The only thing that I want is the Nice BB, the cosmetic case, and I want to put all of my lip glosses in there. I just want it for lip gloss. I'm like, this would be the cutest little lip gloss. So I have a little Mila pochette. I have the cosmetic case now, and I have my bag, and I have the Damier Azur notebook. So I may get the key clay because I do use them. I actually think the key clays are one of the most useful pieces, even though that's the most, the less expensive piece. I think it's a great piece to have. So I might get the clay. I might get the clay because it's really cute to keep the clay with your keys, and you could pop a couple cards in there. You could pop some cash. I wish they made more small leather goods in Damier Azur. I know there's a mini pochette I've had millions of times. I don't think I need the mini pochette because I have the Mila, and I haven't even used this yet. So this is my cute little Louis Vuitton haul. It's a cute little item. I actually put, I had a little Speedy bandolier charm I put on one of my other cosmetic cases, and it looks really cute. So you can even put a little charm that's really tiny. You could put it on the zipper pull, and it looks cute. I don't know, I'm addicted to these things, guys. I find them very useful. I find them extremely durable. If you want to purchase, I know some people don't like to put their money into purchasing cosmetic cases. They think they're going to get ruined with makeup and transfer. I've never had a dirty inside case of my makeup bag. Never. All my makeup cases are nice and clean. And look, this opens up pretty wide. She has a big mouth, like her mommy. She has a big mouth, and she'll hold a lot. Now I want to get another one. But I have a budgeting video coming up. It's going to be all about how I justify my purchases, how I think things are yay, how I think things are nay to buy. So be prepared for that video. That's one of my next videos that I will be filming, and it's going to be all about the money, honey. So I'm going to keep myself a little bit in check. I want more. I want more. Okay, I'm excited to take my bag out with her new small leather goods. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what's on your Louis Vuitton list. That's all I got. Just one piece. Just one baby. That's it. What's on your list for Louis Vuitton? Do you have anything that you want to get? Like I said, I want the Nice BB, and I would like to have a clay. And that's it. I don't want to expand any more of my Louis Vuitton collection. When I go on Instagram, I see everyone's small leather goods and their bag spills, and I'm like, your bag spill is gorgeous. I want everything. I want the 15, the 19. I got the 26. I'm like, I gotta get this, I gotta get that, and it's gorgeous, but I don't think I'm gonna go there. I want to get my jewelry. I want to stay focused with my jewelry purchase. I want to get a Cartier piece this year, or a Van Cleef piece. I want a nice signature piece, and I don't want to go crazy because I could just go crazy and go buy a whole bunch of Louis Vuitton, and I don't think I want to do that right now. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and what should I do with this ribbon? I'm in a weird mood. I'm in a weird mood. How do you guys wear your bandeaus? I still haven't used my bandeau yet. I have not used my bandeau. I need to use it. Do you like the ribbon in my hair? Do you think it looks cute? Let's make a fashion statement. Whee! Okay, guys, have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon. Be on the lookout for my budgeting, all about money and how I justify spending these crazy ass prices. Mwah! Love ya. Bye.